The first step that we're going to do is document our status and prep for the steps to come. For documenting our current status, we're going to use the curriculum process inventory I created, which is just this guy right here. We're going to click the link. It opens up a Google spreadsheet, and that spreadsheet has tabs at the bottom for each grade. And it also has on the left side of it the curriculum cycle transposed into different steps. So all of this stuff here that we see is just transposed onto this spreadsheet. We'll also find the different subject areas at each grade level in the elementary school and in the middle school. High school look a little different, and I'll show that to you in a second. What we're going to do is, if this step is completed, we're just going to make a note there that it is completed. So for example, if you are on the ELA reading team and you completed that first step of looking at your horizontal curriculum, you are going to just verify that you completed it here. So completed in fall 2019. If it hasn't been done in the past 3 years, we'll just say it hasn't been completed recently, or write something to that effect there. Again, really informal. This is more notes between just you and I, so we know where each other's at. If you are a specials teacher in the elementary or middle school, you are going to, for each grade, go through and just verify for that specific grade where you're at with that specials curriculum. If you teach in the high school, you're going to press this little button over here, scroll on over to whatever your area is, and you will, let's see, I'll go to Phi-Ed as an example. You'll see that it's the same thing, except instead of subject areas, it will be the different classes that you teach that you'll verify what step you're at in the curriculum cycle for that class itself. Before we go on to the next step, you want to, after you know where you're at, then put everything in that folder that you have for those steps. So if you have horizontal alignment, if you have standard verification, all that stuff you may have, you're going to put it in the corresponding folder that's shared with you here to make sure that we all have access to everything we need. Hope that helps. If you have any questions, let me know.